The very talented Bhaktiyar Irani, who is currently seen in Sab TV's show Badi Dur Se Aaye Hain, talks about how he handles acting and choreographing at the same time.
Television mein, if you're choreographing or if you're directing, there is some kind of you don't command a respect, but you demand it, and here it's the other way around. So you need to sit there, you need to control lightmen, technicians, and you have to be hand in hand. तो वो एक प्रोसीजर होता है जहाँ पे आप दोस्त यारी में काम करने जाओ तो इट्स टेकन इन अनदर वे. तो फिर वो लीनियंसी आ जाती है, चाय कॉफ़ी, मुझे लू जाना है, मुझे ये जाना है. मेरे सेट पे मेरे एक्टर्स जब मैं होता हूँ तो मैं एक लू का ब्रेक देता हूँ. उसके अलावा कोई भी सेट छोड़ के नहीं जाता है. कोई अपने रूम सबके पास है लेकिन वो रूम छोड़ के नहीं, वो सेट छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते. सो अगर एक डिसिप्लिन हो तो वी कैन फिनिश वर्क, वी कैन फिनिश क्वालिटेटिव वर्क विथ हैविंग फन ऑल्सो. बट एट द सेम टाइम अगर सेट पे डिसिप्लिन ना हो तो फिर घर पे डिसिप्लिन हो के क्या फ़ायदा. एंड वी ऑल आर मैच्योर्ड इंडिविजुअल्स, वी कम हियर टू वर्क, वी हैव नॉट कम हियर टू डिली डैली. मैंने कई बार देखा है इवन विद व्हेन आई एम एन एक्टर, होता है कि सर रीडिंग के लिए आ जाओ, उसके 25 मिनट बाद एक्टर्स आते हैं. सो देयर इज़ नो रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द पर्सन सेइंग बस रीडिंग के लिए आ जाओ. सो दिस इज़ अ फिनोमिना विच इज़ युग से चलता आ रहा है. एंड टाइम लेते हैं, एक्टर आते हैं और फिर आने के बाद लाइन याद नहीं होती है. So I have seen this and I don't want to fall in the same trap. There are certain things that you learn from actors, like being punctual is something which Bachchan follows. You can also follow Salman and Govinda, but it's the choice that you have. Okay? But Bachchan के अलावा और किसी के पास इतनी liberty नहीं है. लेकिन Mr. Bachchan still comes. When I was in Big Boss, I realized that, 9 o'clock, it's Friday, elimination day. I can actually hear the noise of 4 cars passing by my bungalow because his bungalow was next where he would rest. 8:05, 8:15, 100% these cars would pass by. And I know that he is half an hour, 45 minutes early and 9 o'clock इधर shooting होता है. तो मतलब 8:15 बजे उनकी गाड़ी से मुझे टाइमिंग का अंदाज़ा लग जाता था. So it is that punctual. So I just feel that there are certain things that I would like to carry as habits, and that's it. Yeah, I just like my work in a very systematic way.
He will soon add one more feather to his cap by directing the show. Let's know more from him.
I feel very privileged, and I feel honored more than anything because, and again, I would like to repeat myself that money doesn't thrill me, okay? Because I've got hands, legs, and I've got a body. आज पैसा तो जिगलो भी बना लेता है. But what is your talent? What is better than an actor? What is better? What additional stuff that you can do? That's where, you need to speed up. Why am I better than the entire 16? I would like to say that to myself every time. What is so special in me than the 16 other cast members? I can dance. I can act. I can choreograph. I can direct. ये 4 कोई नहीं कर सकता. तो मैं सबसे बेस्ट हूँ. And I always keep this competitive spirit with me because that keeps me alive. Because one guy who can do all 4, then what is the 5th thing I can do? I can handle production. Can you handle production? Then I start knowing how to cancel. ये कहाँ से लेके आते हो? ये कहाँ से होता है? ये इसका कितना setting का इतना? I start knowing stuff. So the entire setting now, these songs that are there, the perfect couple competition that we're having, I've involved myself in the songs, in the editing, in the production, and in the costume. There is no Atish Kapade, there is only Bhaktiyar Irani handling everything. So he's actually, और एक होता है ना, you feel honored when your producer director says, Bhaktiyar है ना वो handle कर लेगा. He's not even come on set.
Bhaktiyar, we wish you all the good wishes for your new step in life, and we are sure your fans are going to support you in this too. Ruchika Singh with cameraman Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.
I am Bhaktiyar Irani and you're watching me on IndiaForums.com. Please subscribe to WhatsApp TV.